On the sign-up page of Taxomate.com, you will find a simple and straightforward process to get started. With a user-friendly interface and intuitive design, signing up is quick and hassle-free. Get started by filling in your account information. Once you fill in your information, click on the Create Account button to begin your journey towards effortless and automated accounting for your e-commerce business. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Xero account. Please check your mailbox for the account activation link. If you haven't received an email, please check your spam. After confirming your email, select the sales channel you would first like to connect. If you plan to subscribe the multi-channel plan, you can connect another channel once you complete quick setup. Proceed to the next step where you will subscribe to a plan. First, select the total number of orders your business has per month for all sales channels. If your order amount varies, Taxomate can automatically upgrade your plan once you hit your order limit. Next, select either monthly or yearly billing. Yearly billing will save you 2 months free per year. From there, you will see two options, Starter and Multi-Channel. If you plan to connect multiple sales channels, such as Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy, or Walmart, select the multi-channel plan. After, select Add New Payment Source to add a credit card to your account. Your credit card will not be charged until your 14-day free trial is complete. You can cancel anytime before the trial ends. Once you fill in your credit card details, click the Save Card button. After, select the Subscribe to Plan button on the bottom. Finally, confirm you would like to subscribe to your plan. Again, you will not be charged until the 14-day free trial is complete.